Well, a big shout out today to my friends at White Mesa Mill. I'm sorry I'm not there with you today. As you probably know, things are a little bit chaotic in Washington, D.C., and I'm unable to be with you, but I'm there in spirit. First of all, a shout out to the employees, the great people at White Mesa Mill. Thank you for your dedication and for your service. For the guests that are there today, thanks for your support of this very, very important part of our economy. And let me just say, as all of you know, what happens at White Mesa Mill is so critical for many reasons. It's an example to the whole United States of how to do this responsibly, how we need to do it here in the United States and not rely on, in many cases, our adversaries to produce the critical resources coming out of White Mesa Mill. The transition to cleaner energy and making sure that Utah is part of that is so important. And we need White Mesa Mill not only to be successful. In reality, we need to duplicate what they're doing across the country. That is not an easy thing to do. And I've watched firsthand the difficulty of those of you at White Mesa Mill kind of going against the wind in many cases. And the irony of it is the very people who need you the most are sometimes giving you the hardest time. I want you to know it's important for me that I'm the wind at your back, that I'm the one looking out for you and to some degree trying to block and tackle. We need you to be successful, and we need what you do here in the United States and for the world. I'm absolutely confident the future of the United States is energy dominance, but that can't happen without your success and the hard work that's taking place there. So today, know that I'm with you in spirit and wish you all the best and hope to see you all in person very soon.